Hello YouTube friend, welcome to Laura's Craft, and I'm so glad you stopped by for today's Christmas crafts project. We're going to be working on two crusty Christmas decor, so let's get started with project number one. For the first project, I'm making Christmas sign. For this one, I picked up the wood plank, which is 20 centimeter by 57 centimeter long, and then I start painting with my white chalk paint, and I'm not trying to cover it completely. I kind of want to give that country rustic look, and I'm gonna distress the white a little bit more, just to give that roughness and natural wood could peek through. So next I'm writing my letters that spell joy with a pencil, and once I done with the spelling, I will paint them in black acrylic paint. Once I had everything all painted and dried, then I started sanding a bit down just to give that age appearance. And for the final look, I will embellish with a ribbon bow, few stamps of greenery, eucalyptus, pine cone bells, and etc. this is my Christmas sign all finished. I cannot believe how beautiful it turns out. That would perfectly fit with all of my rusty Christmas decor. So for the next project, we are going to make wooden snowman, and I'm starting out by cutting wood into 3 different sizes, and the small would be 4.5 centimeters by 6, the middle one would be 4.5 by 9, and the large one would be 4.5 by 12 centimeters. To put my snowman together, I'm gluing those 3 pieces with a Gorilla Glue, and then I will paint in the same white chalk paint. Once I had everything all painted and dried, then I used some sandpaper to lightly distress the white paint. To make a hat, I will be using cardboard paper for the base, and for the top I will use mini flower pot. So next I'm putting the flower pot on top of the cardboard paper and pressing it, and it gives me a guideline so where I need to cut this out, and I glue them together and then paint it in black acrylic paint. And for embellishments, I'm going to use some greenery, berries, and etc. I'm attaching 4 small buttons, which I painted it in a brown acrylic paint. For the eyes, I'm using tiny wood slice, which I painted in black, and for the nose, I'm using a skewer. For the snowman scarf, I'm using a fabric piece and I'm wrapping it around the top log and then just tying it in the knot. To secure the fabric, I'm using a little bit of hot glue, and for the very last step, I'm attaching the head with the hot glue. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!